What is going on, guys? Jesse here, Wrap Innovations. Tesla Model 3 behind us. We've wrapped it in a very exciting color. It color shifts from purple to blue depending on the angle that you're standing on. It looks amazing. We've also protected the vinyl wrap using Xpel Paint Protection Film. It protects it from rock chips, scuffs, scratches, and it's also got a self-healing top layer, meaning it will self-heal swirl marks that are normally caused from a bad wash. To protect it even further, we've ceramic coated the entire vehicle. This makes it very easy to keep clean and helps with UV fading. Since the sun in New Zealand is very potent, there's a hole in the ozone layer. So it's very important to protect your vehicle's color or vinyl paintwork. What do you guys think? Let us know.